In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add funds to a Roblox group. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, for this video, in order to add funds to a Roblox group, you actually do have to own the group. So, since a group is 100 Robux, I do not own a group right now. But what you can do if you own a group is to follow this tutorial in order to add funds to your group. In order to do that, you're going to go up here and click on Create. It's going to open Roblox, and once you are here, you're going to click on the creator, and if you have a group, there will be a drop-down menu that'll allow you to click your group as a creator. Since I don't have a group, I'm going to go through the process as if I was a group. You're going to click on Avatar Items and then click on Upload Asset. Make sure you are on t-shirts before you click Upload Asset. Then you are going to upload a picture, a name, and a description, and you will be able to sell. So I'm just going to upload a random picture, and then the t-shirt is created. Now, as you can see, it does say off sale, so you're going to click it and make it go on sale. You can set your price to anything you would like, but it's gotta be the same amount that you actually want to add to your Roblox group. So now that the changes are saved, I can go back to roblox.com, and then once I'm back here, I can go on my groups, and once I have the groups made, I will be able to actually purchase the full t-shirt, and it will actually add funds to my group since I made it as a creator. Now, that's all there really is to it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.